Hello everyone, this is Ben from Ben Daily Tips. Today we are going to learn how to change Windows 10 background. First you should right click on your desktop, go to the personalize. Here background and picture is selected. You can choose your Windows 10 default pictures. If you want to choose your image, you can select browse button. And after that, go to the image location. Mine is on desktop and select choose picture. As you can see, my Windows 10 background is changing. You can choose a fit and you have option fill, fit and other options. Another option you have in background is solid color. You can use your favorite color. Another option in background is slideshow. By choosing slideshow, you can use your image, choose an album for your slideshow. By clicking browse button, you can choose your folder of images and you have options of change picture every 30 minutes. You can on and off shuffle and other options. That's it guys. Thank you for watching this tutorial.